हेलो एवरीवन। आवाज आ रही है दिनेश मेरी?
Yes, yes.
हेलो एवरीवन। Yes, we are live now. Hi Aman. Hello Mohit. Hi Jamin. Hi Ujwal. Good evening guys. Good evening. Hello Abhinav. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello. So we are going for some few minutes for other peoples who are remaining to join. We will start our session in 2 to 3 minutes. Welcome to the first sessions of the Android Study Jam. Welcome, guys. So you have to like follow our Discord server. So link is in your screen. Join our Discord server. Due to overwhelming of your participants, our WhatsApp group has full. So we decide to uh, make a server on the Discord. So just be there on our Discord. We will be there for you anytime. So Instagram ID is at the rate GDSCPU slash. So join our session right now. Share these links to your group, your friends. Yes, it's audible, clearly waiting for this. Oh yes, we are also waiting for this. So how was your day, everyone? Hello Ujwal. Hi Janir. Hello Mihir. Hello Jayes. Hello everyone. Share this link to your roommates, classmates, hostel mates, to everyone. So people will be know that what's the Android Study Jam is there for you. What's the benefit of the joining this event and all that. So past year Dinesh was a Kotlin facilitator for our group. So this year he is also continuing with this. Hello everyone. Hello. For continuing with this lead. So we just make this year Dinesh has a Kotlin lead. So Dinesh, give your introduction to our peoples.
Hello everyone. I'm Dinesh Singh Rajput, third year student
Dinesh, you are
at
not audible.
Parul University. Hello. Am I audible now?
No, it's not audible. No, Dinesh, you are not audible.
Hello. Wait a minute. Hello.
Yes, Dinesh, you are audible. Yes. Okay. Just give your introductions, what you are going to do today and all that.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible now? Hello. Hello.
Yes, now I'm starting my sharing my screen to you guys. So welcome to Android Study Jam 2021. So how to become an Android developer using the study gems. So there is a deadline of this program will be till 10th Jan of 2022. So link is there. So you can register here for the certificates and for the other activities. We are conducting 3 sessions for the Android study jams. So welcome to everyone. Welcome peoples. Welcome to Android Study Jam 2021. So now, what's the you think that what will be going for the Android Study Jam? So, what are the Android study jams? So, it's a jam that Android study jams are like community organized student groups for people to do hands-on learning for Android app developments. So, it's basically Android Basic is a like series of the sessions that focus especially on the learning how to build Android apps without any prior Android experience. Like you can start from the zero itself. You don't need any kind of experience level of the coding. If you didn't write a single code of that, don't worry, we are here for you, and we will be guiding you the whole event what will we be going in this session. So, what are the prerequisites? Basic computer literacy is going on. Basic math skills are you have to do, and that's all. Nothing like that is how much. So, how to start your journey? You have to create first developer profile that you can see on your screen. That link will be given. So first you have to uh, create a particular developer profile, so we can see what kind of work you have done and what badges you have will be earned and all that for the prices and for the future enhancements. So why we create a Google developer profile? As we know that you have to collect up to 16 batches as you learn, showcase your what's the badge you have earned till now with the given quizzes and all that, to share your achievements and all that. So you can see you have to log in a particular in this particular link. So you will be there as, particular profile over there, and you have to make public profile, not the private one. The cursor is there, you have to make public profile. So that can so in that form you have to submit that a particular public profile, so we can mark your we can say like track your developer profile, so for your prices and all that. So how to proceed? So you have to install Android Study Jam for the program, and you have to install Android Studio or IntelliJ IG on your devices. So you the softwares are available. You can search Android Studio. There will be multiples of Windows of 64-bit, 32 bits over there. For Macs OS also, Ubuntu Linux if you are using. So you have to download first over there. So start with the basic in the Kotlin. There will be like 6 units for the Kotlin basic. You will know the particular manner, like basic syllabus over there, with the help of Kotlin basic, with the curriculum of decided by the Google itself. It is in portal itself. You have to basic welcome to Android basics in Kotlin, and that in this course you will learn the basics of the building Android apps with the Kotlin programming language, along with the you will develop a collection of app also to start your journey as an Android developer. The main thing is going to your career as an Android developer. So this course will help you also as a prepare for the associate Android development certification exam also. So you can take a screenshot, and the link is given in the screen. So developer.android.com/courses/android dash basic dash kotlin slash courses. So you can start your Android basic uh, in Kotlin course over there. So next, why Android development? Have you think about that? Why Android development is going on? Chat guys, what are the Android development? You can just type answer in the chat box also in live streaming. So what are the Android development? And why are choosing Android development? Why didn't choose any other stream? Yes, Sai Charan, to build apps, right? Apart from that, new features are going on, applications based products are there due to new technologies development in its sector. Very good. So we are organizing that event for you to become an Android development. So, as we know that world is going through a digital transformation due to the pandemic situation on in our world, in all over the world. COVID-19 impact on mobile industry is very demanding nowadays. So, smartphones user in India are expected to reach over 760 millions by the end of the year of 2021. Still last month is remaining, so count will go on the numbers. So 760 millions are going on. So the market has grown up. India is a mobile first market over there. We are people are using numerous amount of people are using the Android smartphone in over India. due to the cheapest market and make in India of that product. So what's the importance of the mobile app development is there? So it's like need to be efficient and effective way to reach out the users, exactly the right thing. If you are using some kind of application like for medicine, also, and like taking an example, if you are taking example of medicine, if you want to take some medicine, you can just click on the application and place order. For food also you can say that. There are numerous and multiples of example of for the mobile app development to engage with customers everywhere, exactly. Where we can find customer everywhere in the mobile app development, because nowadays the smartphone is cheaper and everyone are using these smartphones, so increase your visibility also in the particular mobile app development over there. So apart from that, now Android is a vibrant ecosystem. So 2.5 billion active Android device users are there. Apart from that, 2.2 plus billions active monthly play users are over there. From last 12 months, 116 plus billions downloaded over last 12 months. This is about 2021. I'm not talking about the whole uh, data of that. So with the more than 2.5 billion global active devices are going on and growing also. So Android continues to thrive as an innovative and open mobile market for building. For everyone has market over there. So developer creates amazing digital experience for the Android users across the world over there. So the market has grown up for the Android developer also. So now we are focusing on the Kotlin particular. So I am introducing why, like what is a Kotlin developing. So Kotlin is an expressive and statically typed language for the development on Android and the server basis. So it's introduced by JetFriend in 2010. So the team behind it is like fully IntelliJ. It is like you can use Visual Studio. It is also an open source project of IntelliJ. So it's fully free of cost, and like open source project hai. You have to use by over 5.8 million developers are surrounding the use of the Kotlin. So like why you have to choose Kotlin? For the like freshers, अपने देखा था कि like we have to use Kotlin. Why? Because for the first time for the Android development, Java is there, but you the Kotlin makes easy better than the Java. Now companies will move over to Java to the Kotlin or any other language, because like Java developers are very well in that field particular no minute, but the Kotlin saves the time, saves the money, and the peoples are also getting you can say time is money, so they can save the time and money too. So that's why the Kotlin has been introduced by the JetBrain, and it's a very easy language, particular if you are focusing on the syntaxes and all that. So it will be easy for you. So as we say that Kotlin on Android in 2021 are there. So there are 70% top 100 apps contain Kotlin code on the Play Store over there. So like 60% of Android developer use Kotlin, that professional developers, like certified developers are using that Kotlin language as per in our ratio. This ratio is like conducted by the Slack channel, in particular their own community. So Kotlin on Android is like very well known apart from that Google. So now what's the benefit? Is anyone there in our chat box that ever use Kotlin? Just write on chat box. Yes, exactly, Mohit. If we go to Java, which make complex. Yes, exactly. Yes, to give shapes to our idea, because of all small and big company use the app and website. But most use operating system and community is very big, like huge market value for Android phones in market. Exactly, Karan. Richa Patel says in Android development, we can develop apps using Android. Pratham can develop applications, and it's like future is going on for the Kotlin developer too. Right. Yes, Java is too hard. Yes, but you have to do. Yes, learning. Yes, no worry. You have to just be focused on this curriculum, so you will know get the basic idea of the Kotlin is over there. Yes, not yet, but excited. Yes, we are here for help also. Yes, I use Kotlin and I'm using it now. Yes, Mehir, you have amazing experience with that. Yes, exactly, exactly. So the benefit is like is that in Java there have to so much codes of line, so it reduced 30% less code compared to the Java. So it's also like safer code. Also the security has enhancing the futures, so they have to take care about the future and all that. So Kotlin is fully compatible with the Java, and it's like in smarter and the safest compiler, and it's like a strong community over there. So in chat box give me reply that have you ever experienced with the Kotlin? Yes. You have heard positive things for the Kotlin than Java, right? Yes. Java is not bad, but the day-to-day the grooming technologies are going on, so you have to take a step towards yes, Java is quite insufficient. You have to take move on step. So you have to be prepared what the technology. We are from uh, background from computer IT department. So we have to take care about what we have to do, what we have to learn. The future technologies are going on. So every year there will be new frameworks are going on. Compatibility are going on. The code and the frameworks are coming. Yes. Oh, yes. Kotlin is a new tech. Yes, I think Max is used more. Yes, Max is everywhere. Apart from that, like you didn't go back from the Max mathematical terms. Okay, so now, what are the interesting facts about the Kotlin? So there will be the 62% of developers have expressed interest in developing, like in Kotlin. So the fourth largest, according to the Stack Overflow survey, you there are so many communities over there. The Stack Overflows, Discord servers are over there. So there will be the Kotlin ratio. We can say that 62% of developers have expressed their interest in particular, like survey. We have to take survey from that. So 20% less time is spent on the stabilizations after adopting Kotlin due to less null pointer expansion. So the 30% less code has compared to Java. So time spent on the review and maintenance is less. Apart from that, 70% of the top 1000 apps on Play Stores are developed in Kotlin, as we know that already saw that ratio over there. So 60% of professional Android developer use Kotlin itself. Yes, exactly. So how you are enthusiastic about the Kotlin? Just show your feelings in our chat box. Yes, PPT will be shared in a particular Discord server and all that. Yes, exactly. Dharmik says yes, true. I have used Java and Kotlin both. Kotlin is easier and also updatable. Excited to learn it. Yes, Pratham. Very excited to learn a new tech. Yes, exactly. Yes. We are here for you, and we will be going to demonstrate how the things were going with the Kotlin. Yes, Kedar says now I am interested in Kotlin due to its usefulness and all that. It's exciting. It will help me building my career. Exactly. There are numerous opportunity are going on. We are going to be focused on the next part. Like so now there will be the what the interesting facts about the Kotlin. Have you seen that? So the most interesting part, and you have your eyes will be blown up by saying this kind of information that Flipkart is made by the Kotlin. So Flipkart's in past years there are like as we can they developed by the Java itself by Flipkart, but changing from the one platform to another, the Flipkart has done very easily, and they says and their employees says that there will be more productive developers in Flipkart and less code to the maintain. They believes that, so there will be the 70% less times they says that spends on build stabilizations after adopting Kotlin due to the fewer null pointer exceptions. There will be 30% less cores over there compared to the Java programming language, saves the time to spend on the code reviews and maintenance. As we know that Java has like tremendous of lines of code, but like take an example, if you like code Java, so you have to write 10 lines of the code, but in Kotlin you have to only write 2 to 3 things on the hardly it takes 2 to 3 lines. So now I am sharing one video. You have to like build with the Zomato is fully made of like Kotlin development. So the one amazing video has on your screen we will be sharing and watching by video with you. So share your experience how the video will be motivates you. Okay, now I'm starting.
So Zomato was started as an app which lets you browse digital menus. Now we are this big food tech company that is operational in 24 countries. More than 150 million users visit the platform every month. We are available in 10 languages. And on the delivery side, we have a fleet of around 60,000 delivery riders. If you want to discover great places to go out, if you want to order in, if you want to reserve tables, and if you just want to browse food, you can use Zomato. So Zomato serves a lot of use cases, and that makes it challenging for the development team to fit in a coherent way inside the app.
After all the buzz in the developer community about Kotlin, I was intrigued by how Kotlin was able to uphold the object-oriented paradigm and solve many of the architectural flaws in the compile time itself. I almost instantly recognized that Kotlin will enable me to develop more architecturally sound applications. Kotlin.
So Zomato was started as an app which lets you browse digital menus. Now we are this big food tech company that is operational in 24 countries. More than 150 million users visit the platform every month. We are available in 10 languages. And on the delivery side, we have a fleet of around 60,000 delivery riders. If you want to discover great places to go out, if you want to order in, if you want to reserve tables, and if you just want to browse food, you can use Zomato. So Zomato serves a lot of use cases, and that makes it challenging for the development team to fit in a coherent way inside the app.
After all the buzz in the developer community about Kotlin, I was intrigued by how Kotlin was able to uphold the object-oriented paradigm and solve many of the architectural flaws in the compile time itself. I almost instantly recognized that Kotlin will enable me to develop more architecturally sound applications. Kotlin provides us with null safety at compile time itself, and this is one of the most used features by our team. If you convert a Java class to Kotlin, there will be about 15 to 20% decrease in the line of code. But if you take data classes, there is a drastic improvement of about 55% decrease in the lines of code. Switching to Kotlin is efficient and really exciting. At Zomato, now almost every new feature is being developed in Kotlin. We as Android developers have not experienced the functional paradigm like the developers of JavaScript. So Kotlin providing a function-oriented style of coding was a very good feature. Often a use case comes when we are using code of third-party libraries, where we want the class to have another function. Kotlin makes this hassle-free by the support of extension functions. Almost all the new SDKs and APIs that Google is releasing right now has Kotlin support. On top of that, the third-party library developers are also adding support of Kotlin, which is increasing our Kotlin experience.
Zomato is rated 4.3 on the Google Play Store, and we've been lucky with the support of the ecosystem that Android provides.
I would recommend switching to Kotlin because of its interoperability with Java. With recent updates, Android Studio has drastically improved Kotlin support. It is almost frictionless.
as you shown that Zomato has also built with the Kotlin, and there are many few multinational companies are over there with made by the Kotlin. So another one video we are like I'm just showing you that. There will be one like 4 to 5 companies that they are using a Kotlin. So another one amazing video we are going to show you just on your screen. Just stay tuned and just tag us and like comment how you motivates this kind of videos from now. Thank you.
As you know, India is a land of about 1.3 billion people, has a big demographic divide with people of multiple income levels, multiple literacy level, multiple languages. What technology can do is to create a common layer and can actually improve the quality of life of people.
I think the greatest tool we have today in front of us is the smartphone. And there's a hell of a lot of things you can do with that and real world problems you can solve with that.
A mobile phone along with the internet connectivity just makes everybody stand at the same level.
Healthify Me is India's largest health and fitness app. Slowly but surely, an app a day, we are keeping the health momentum and revolution going in the country. There were no calorie counting tools for this country, and we are the diabetic and heart problems capital of the world. And I felt that that's a problem of hundreds of millions of Indians, and someone had to build Indian nutritional database.
Urbanclap is an app which helps you buy very high quality and trusted home services, everything from a beautician to an interior designer and everything else in the middle. If you look at the service professional ecosystem in India, the vast majority of these people, even though they are good at their craft, make 10 to 15,000 rupees a month. And multiple reasons hinder them from becoming a fully organized microservice entrepreneur who can make 40, 50, 60,000 rupees a month and be a real part of India's middle class.
Rail Yatri is about helping travelers in India who use railways as a mode of transportation to make smart decisions. We have gotten used to tracking an envelope going from one part of the country to the other part of the world. Why can't we track about a half a kilometer long train?
We clearly knew that people use language for content consumption. If you look at the readership of newspapers, if you look at readership of Bollywood movies, they're all in local language. So that came intuitively, rather than any market research done around it. We intuitively thought about that as a core pivot and a core reason why people will use our app. Daily Earned app is one of the most popular apps in the country. 95% of our consumption is on local languages, which is non-English.
Today, the app is used by 3 million users everywhere. We've got nearly 200 coaches and nutritionists spread all over the country, and our app is one of the highest rated apps in India.
On a monthly basis, we are reaching to about 9 million people. Over a period of time now, we've added all the routes, hospital information and all.
We have about 70,000 service partners who use our app literally every single day. We continue to serve more than 10,000 customers every single day. We want to create 1 million jobs in the service sector in India. I think my suggestion to everybody who is thinking about doing something of their own is don't be scared. Nobody, to the best of my knowledge, has died of entrepreneurship.
We've got a great idea. Just keep at it.
You need to get out of your offices and go into the real Bharat in India if you really want to build an app which has to be successful in India. As you know, India is a land of about 1.3 billion people, has a big demographic divide with people of multiple income levels, multiple literacy level, multiple languages. What technology can do is to create a common layer and can actually improve the quality of life of people.
I think the greatest tool we have today in front of us is the smartphone. And there's a hell of a lot of things you can do with that and real world problems you can solve with that.
A mobile phone along with the internet connectivity just makes everybody stand at the same level.
Healthify Me is India's largest health and fitness app. Slowly but surely, an app a day, we are keeping the health momentum and revolution going in the country. There were no calorie counting tools for this country, and we are the diabetic and heart problems capital of the world. And I felt that that's a problem of hundreds of millions of Indians, and someone had to build Indian nutritional database.
Urbanclap is an app which helps you buy very high quality and trusted home services, everything from a beautician to an interior designer and everything else in the middle. If you look at the service professional ecosystem in India, the vast majority of these people, even though they are good at their craft, make 10 to 15,000 rupees a month. And multiple reasons hinder them from becoming a fully organized microservice entrepreneur who can make 40, 50, 60,000 rupees a month and be a real part of India's middle class.
Rail is about helping travelers in India who use railways as a mode of transportation to make smart decisions. We have gotten used to tracking an envelope going from one part of the country to the other part of the world. Why can't we track about a half a kilometer long train?
We clearly knew that people use language for content consumption. If you look at the readership of newspapers, if you look at readership of Bollywood movies, they're all in local language. So that came intuitively, rather than any market research done around it. We intuitively thought about that as a core pivot and a core reason why people will use our app. Brilliant app is one of the most popular apps in the country. 95% of our consumption is on local languages, which is non-English.
Today, the app is used by 3 million users everywhere. We've got nearly 200 coaches and nutritionists spread all over the country, and our app is one of the highest rated apps in India.
On a monthly basis, we are reaching to about 9 million people. Over a period of time now, we've added all the routes, hospital information and all.
We have about 70,000 service partners who use our app literally every single day. We continue to serve more than 10,000 customers every single day. We want to create 1 million jobs in the service sector in India. I think my suggestion to everybody who is thinking about doing something of their own is don't be scared. Nobody, to the best of my knowledge, has died of entrepreneurship.
If you've got a great idea, just keep at it.
You need to get out of your offices and go into the real Bharat in India if you really want to build an app which has to be successful in India.
So there are a number of and numerous of applications used in our India, and most of MNCs are made using that Kotlin language over there. So now I am just telling you that what kind of unit you have to completed in this particular manner. So here is a link that developer dot android with the particular, you can see the link, or yes, now you can see perfectly with the screen, developer.android.com/courses/android basic Kotlin course over there. So there will be the 6 units over there, like unit 1 is on the Kotlin basics. Unit 2 stands the layout, what we have to build with the different apps and improve the user interface of your app by learning about the layouts, material design guidelines, and prerequisites of designers over there. So navigations, number 3 is for the navigations that you have to enhance the user's ability to manage and across the navigation, what we have to help with that. So unit 4 is like connect to the internet when the companies and the complex codes are with there, and learn about the HTTP to get the data from the server from the internet. So you have to learn the connect to the internet. So unit 5 is data persistence over there. Unit 6 is for the work manager and the one app that you have to develop over there. In that particular units, there will be the videos are there and all that over with the curriculum. I will show you in our screen also, just a few minutes back. While doing the course, you have to introduce yourself in videos. The Google's speakers are introduced, and that what the introduction of the Kotlin are over there, what the unit 1, what the unit 2 layout says, all that videos will be there, and labs are over there. So you have to perform and build the basic apps on the YouTube with the help of the YouTube videos. So after the taking the all the lessons, at last one quiz is there in every chapters. So you have to pass that quiz, and you will get the badges. And you, if you pass the quiz, you will earn and get the badge over there. So there is total 16 badge is there, and 16 small chapters are over there. So you have to be there for the earn the badges. If you earn all the badges, then you will like the next step toward the Kotlin development, and for the prizes and all the for the certifications and all that. So you can take a screenshot that the link will be given in your screen, that developer.android.com/courses/android basic Kotlin /courses. So what you will going to be learn, is there any idea, or in your just comment down in the chat box. Is there any idea? So what you are going to learn in this okay, okay, Jai, don't worry, you can just revert back our video on YouTube. You will show what the information is going on over there. Yes, yes, this is recently launched, and but they are marked now, and great to know about that information. Yes. So you are going to learn, this is the chapters we are going you are going to learn, and I'm giving the overview of what you will be going learn. The first is the introduction to Kotlin, that you learn to code in Kotlin, and a modern programming language that helps developer to be more productive. So the video is for the 1 hour itself, and the second is the create your Android app, learn to create and run your first Android app in the Android Studio over there. So building a basic layout is the third chapter for you, and the learn the basic of the layouts in Android by creating your very own birthday card app. So there will be one portal also for the playground to you play with the Kotlin language. So apart from that, you have to watch the video and just implement on the particular playground which is given for the Kotlin program. So it's better, first you have to learn, and then exactly you have to do the experiment with the particular with the code, so you will know and the grasp the whole the thing that you have to what kind of syntax you have to use for the next time of the event and the applications are going on. So the fourth is add a button to an app. So there are the very few things in particular, in every programming language, the few things like how to get the notification from applications and all that. So you will be going step by step. So the fourth chapter is to learn how to use classes, objectives, the conditionals to the create an interactive dice roll app over there. So there will be the session of the 3 hours. So the fifth is get an user input over there. So you have to learn how to get user inputs within an app by building to a tip calculator app. So it's about the 3 hours, you have to watch the video and play with the playground of the Kotlin that is given by the Kotlin playground curriculum. So the sixth unit is display a scrollable list over there. So learn how to display list of the text and image in a particular app. So it will the video and the exercise it's for the 2 hours. The seventh is the navigated between the screen, how the flexbox are using the what the concept of the flexbox are using, that will you have to get learn, and add another screen to your app by adding a second activity. All that feature you will be going to learn in the navigated between the screen chapter. So eighth chapter is the to have to intro to navigations components, learn how to jetpack navigations component, make it easy to manage navigation within your app. So jetpack is a library for that, so you have to learn and how to navigate in all that particular manner. It's about the 1 hour session for that. So the ninth chapter is for architecture component. So that will be the learn good app architecture principles by living there, and building a game app by the unscrapable words over there. So advanced navigation example combines what you have to learn so far in a more advanced app, and that demonstrate the navigation between the multiple screens, as you shown in the small picture of on your screen, that this session is about the 2 hours. So apart from that, the 11th and the 12th chapters are for the networking purpose, and the data which you have to taken from the internet, like HTTP and the REST servers are over there. So there will be the 12 chapters. Apart from that, the next is about the 13, the like introduction to the SQL room and the flow are over there. So it's about the 2 hour session of that. Learn the basics of the reading and manipulating data with the SQL, and how to create and use a relation database in your particular Android app and with the room library. So uses of the room data persistence, the use of the room literally is to allow the app to read, that will be covered in the chapter number 14 with the database. So the 15th one is the not the least one, the last one. You have to take like work manager, how to schedule your like task is over there. So you will be getting learn when and how to use work manager and an API that handles background works that needs to run regardless of like whether the application process is still running. So now I am just showing like how to be prepare for the Android and what chapters are going on. So just be there. I will be just sharing the screen to you. Just a minute. I'm just sharing like screen that how you have to be. So there will be like this is the link I will be put in chat box. You can go through and start your curriculum. So there is official website that Android Basic in Kotlin. So the Kotlin welcomes you. So there is Unit 1 is like for Kotlin Basic. Unit 2 is for layout. Unit 3 is navigation. Unit 4 is connect to the internet and all that. Unit 5, Unit 6, you have to cover over there. So like you have to like on this kind of badges. This is a total 16 badges are over there. So firstly you have to explore in particular field. So now the path one is like introduction to Kotlin. Now you have to explore, click on over there. So here you know that video is going on. Welcome to the Android based in Kotlin. So now I am just playing a video. You can see the video is going on.
Welcome to Android Basics in Kotlin. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of how to build Android apps.
We're from the Android team at Google, and we'll be your instructors for this course. I'm Dan.
I'm Kat, and we'll be here guiding you throughout your journey.
And I'm Megan. We'll do our best to explain things clearly with step-by-step instructions.
It's hard to imagine life without our phones.
And in this course, you're going to have a chance to learn how to build an app that runs on one of these. It honestly feels like a superpower to know how to build an app, to take something that's an idea in your head and put it on your phone.
And it's not just your phone.
There are over 2.5 billion Android devices in the world.
That's phones, tablets, TVs, watches, and even cars.
Imagine how cool it would be to make an app that your friends can use.
The apps that you use on your phone are often quite complex. They have whole companies and teams of engineers working on them. And all those engineers had to start at the beginning.
So in this course, we're going to focus on building a series of basic Android apps that can run on a phone.
The course is split up into units. Each unit is made up of several pathways. Pathways are composed of videos, code labs, and quizzes. And, drumroll please, you will earn badges along the way.
You'll also be building up your developer profile, which you can use to show the skills you've gained throughout this course.
By learning the fundamentals of programming and the core concepts in Android, you will have a solid foundation to build off of.
You'll learn how to use Android Studio, the tool we use to write our code.
And you'll be learning Kotlin, the recommended programming language for developing Android apps. At its core, a programming language is used to tell a computer what you want it to do. It's similar to learning a foreign language, but instead of speaking to people from another country, we're communicating with the computer.
We'll get into more details of learning Kotlin later, but first let's talk about what you need to start this course.
To get started, you need a computer and an internet connection so you can download Android Studio. You don't need any prior programming experience, But we do require that you have basic computer and math skills. Knowing basic math is useful when you are programming because of the problem-solving skills involved.
It's also helpful to have an Android device, phone or tablet, to test your app on. If you don't have one, that's okay. We'll show you how to simulate an Android device on your computer with something called an emulator. It's also great to be familiar with using Android apps. If you haven't used Android before, you'll learn this along the way.
Above all, the most important requirement is your motivation and willingness to learn. It's going to be a challenging but rewarding process if you stick with it.
You may be asking, can I get a job as an Android developer after this course? Well, the answer is not quite. We're going to prepare you with the basics, and there are more advanced classes you can take and more practice you should do on your own to pursue the career path of a developer.
Now, you might be asking, how long will the course take? That really depends on how much you already know and how much time you can invest in learning the material. Anywhere from a few weeks to a few months is realistic.
No matter where you come from, this journey will be challenging, interesting, and we hope also fun.
By the end, you will have built a collection of apps that will show you a glimpse of what's possible with Android.
We are super excited.
Super excited!
We're super excited that you've decided to join us, and we welcome you to this course.
Welcome!
Welcome to Unit 1, the beginning of your amazing journey.
In this unit, you will learn important concepts in Kotlin and Android development to get you set up for success.
This unit is split up into 4 pathways.
In the first pathway, we will dive right into learning some basics in a programming language called Kotlin.
Kotlin is a modern programming language. It's efficient to write and has features that help prevent mistakes in your code.
It's rapidly becoming one of the most loved programming languages in the world, and we at Google recommend it for building Android apps.
In the second pathway, we'll help you set up your computer. We will teach you how to use the same tool that professional Android developers use to build their apps. It's called Android Studio, and you'll be installing that on your computer. Once it's set up, we'll walk you through how to create and run your first Android app. This is always a magical milestone.
In the third pathway, we'll make a birthday card app. You'll get to customize the app for someone special in your life and surprise them with it.
In the fourth pathway, we'll learn how to make an app that has an on-screen button that can be clicked. You'll write Kotlin code for how the app will behave when the user taps the button.
This will unlock infinite possibilities for the types of apps you can create.
Don't worry, we know it's a lot, but we'll be guiding you through the pathways, and we're confident that you can do this.
It's normal to feel overwhelmed with all this new information, so take it bit by bit. It takes time to learn and digest the material.
With each app you create, you will gain more confidence in the skills you are building.
Before we begin, let's double check that you have everything you'll need. You'll need a computer with internet access that you can install Android Studio on. Make sure that your computer meets the requirements linked below.
To see your app in action, it's helpful to have an Android device and a USB cable to connect it to your computer, but it's definitely not required.
Let's get started! Welcome to Android Basics in Kotlin. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of how to build Android apps.
We're from the Android team at Google, and we'll be your instructors for this course. I'm Dan.
I'm Kat, and we'll be here guiding you throughout your journey.
And I'm Megan. We'll do our best to explain things clearly with step-by-step instructions.
It's hard to imagine life without our phones.
And in this course, you're going to have a chance to learn how to build an app that runs on one of these. It honestly feels like a superpower to know how to build an app, to take something that's an idea in your head and put it on your phone.
And it's not just your phone.
There are over 2.5 billion Android devices in the world.
That's phones, tablets, TVs, watches, and even cars.
Imagine how cool it would be to make an app that your friends can use.
The apps that you use on your phone are often quite complex. They have whole companies and teams of engineers working on them. And all those engineers had to start at the beginning.
So
Now I will share the screen from the PPT itself, and we will be moving. Yes, Dinesh is there. So for what will learning to journey with that? You have 6 units, 16 pathways, 16 quizzes, 16 badges. So you have to grab your developer profile, and you can see how the badges are there in particular developer profile. So visit that course, visit and track your completions over there in particular manner. So opportunity from the Android study jam is like the base. You have to like learn basic of building Android apps are there with the Android Kotlin course over there. To solve the real problems with develop a collection of the simple apps that guides to optimize deploy on the Google Play over there. The opportunity that you have to like certified yourself start like you can start your journey as an Android developer. So you can just share your screen too, and certification exam from the Android study jam itself. So you have to like what's in it for you to hear. So like you have to learn Kotlin and Android concepts from the very basic levels, and like earn cool badges every time you have to complete a pathway over there. After the completion of the quiz, the certificates of completions, reimbursement of 80% for the associate Android developer certifications as per the guidelines. This is the big announcement that you have to complete the basic. After that you have to become like associated Android developer official by the Google. The $150 examinations are over there, so we are going to give you 80% of scholarship from our side. So after that develop real world Android apps are like you have to made apps in a team and get chance to get feature apps by Google on the Play Store over there. So note that you have to complete the course, and on all the badges will be before the 10 Jan, and it's eligible for the prices are also. So I will just share the communication forum. You can just join our Discord server, and like all resources will be provided on our Discord server, so that you will get the updates about the campaign. Like study groups dedicated are over there to Android development, and you get your questions answers over there. Just scan the QR code, you will get the link of the our Discord server. So, like here we have Dr. Harsel Shah with us. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I'm audible. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect.
Okay. So here I want to announce to all of you that at Parul University we are going to develop the Android Army. And in an Android Army, we want to rank you based on your task and performance. So on this basis, we will also alert you live projects. So where you can get experience yourself and become a professional expert developer in the area of app development, where would be a various Android applications where you can develop. We have also you can say live customers who have their live requirements, so you can use this and make yourself very acquainted with such a development. So here we would be able to help you. So it would have various ranks. Initially you will be joined as an soldier, then once you start developing the applications and you learn, would give you a detailed path of all this on our you can say on a slides you can see that lieutenant to general. So you can have this batches also. It will be provided to you with these ranks, and that would help you in your professional career that you were on this part. And even though for your all development, we are going to support you for your publications of your apps into the Play Store. That will be also provided the support. So these are the benefits to the students. They will get the opportunity, right, as I have mentioned, to work with the live projects. And apart from that, you can also have an as an individual opportunity that you can have identified as a member of this. Then it is enhancing your technical knowledges. You can work with eminent personalities from the industry while you got this opportunities of these kind of app development internship. So here we have Prashant Sahatia sir who would like to tell us more about that. So let me invite the Prashant sir, just brief them all in a detail.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Hello.
clearly.
Yeah. Okay. So, hello everyone. This is Professor Prashant Sahatia. I'm the assistant professor at IT department PIET and also the technology evangelist for mobile application development at the Tinkering Hub, which is a unit at Parul University. So, sir has already given the brief about the Android army. Now, what is the actual intention of building this Android army? We want to develop our own community inside the Parul University that will be called as an Android army. So in this Android army, the students or the professionals who know the Android app development either in any of the programming languages, that is Java or Kotlin. Right now we are looking for Android army. Further in the permissions, we will get the permissions and we'll also explore the iPhone app development, that is for the iOS, right? So Android army, the intentions are to build the entire community regarding Android app development. So the benefits to the students will be given to each and every student individually. Also, there are different badges available in the Android army from rank 1 to rank 5. It's like you are initially a soldier, you are new to Android app development, so you will be recruited, you will be hired, and you'll be joining the community as a soldier. So likely it will be going stairs, it will be going upstairs. Like from the soldier, you are going to lieutenant, then you are going to colonel, you are going to general, you are going to major. So it's like from rank 1 to rank 5. As the rank increases, the roles and responsibilities will also get increased, right? Also, the opportunities for the higher rank are very good, and for the initial level, will be keeping in touch with the initial ones, the new soldier ones, and will continuously train them for getting the higher ranks also. So the benefits of the students are in front of you. That is, internship opportunities we are going to provide. Let's say I have any kind of idea or any kind of project in terms of industry projects, right? So I'll be going to the Android army, whatever the members are there, and I'll be giving the projects to them. So they'll get an opportunity to work on the live industry projects. So that is an internship opportunities we are going to provide to this Android army, and different technical knowledge also. Your technical knowledge will be enhancing in the Java as well as the Kotlin. Right? These are some benefits, and detailings will be coming to you via mail. Right? So you'll be getting the Google form link. You will be nominating yourself for any kind of ranks. Like if you know that I have this, the eligibility of rank 2 is this much. So if you know that you are perfect for rank 2, and then the further you'll be communicated, you'll be taking the interviews will be done, and everything in the process will be done. So that is about the Android army, which we are going to develop at the Parul University. Thank you. Over to you, Nanda.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, Prasant sir, and Harsal sir, to providing this kind of the platform and opportunity to our students. So now I'm just taking over to like our introducing a Kotlin lead Dinesh Rajpurohit, that you have to he will be taking a demo to on your screen. So Dinesh, over to you. You may present your screen.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, clear, Dinesh. You may now present your screen and share what you have to do with the demo.
Yeah. Then my screen is present visible.
Yes, Dinesh, go ahead.
Yeah. First of all, we will gonna install our Android Studio to start to do work on Android Studio. So first of all, we need Java JDK for running Java code and Kotlin code, because Kotlin is based on Java JDK. For that, you need to download Java JDK from Oracle. Link I have given in the chat box. Then we are going to install and download Android Studio from here. Till it get downloaded, I just want you to know some things. Like, this is Android basics for Kotlin, which is the part of your course program, but there is something extra for you to learn if you want to grow yourself. That is whole Android study jam program. In this, you have two tracks. First is new to program, who is starting on basics of Android with Kotlin, and second is prior programming experience, who has already known something about programming and development phase. You can start this course for growing yourself. And who want to start learning Kotlins, you can start with Kotlin Bones. Here you can learn how Kotlin language is going, what are the syntax of Kotlin and all. Like this one, hello world to string. You have to code here.
This is the playground for the Kotlin. You have to play with codes and all that. In particular, this platform over there. Like you have to introduction session with the hello world first, basic
We have
application
to
that you
print
have.
okay, but instead of that, like this, you can your test will be passes, so that you can go on next. In that way, you can learn whole Kotlin language from this website or platform. From downloads, Java JDK install. Next, next. I already installed Java JDK, so it's just updating it. So
This all things are like basic, like you have to start with the Kotlin. You have to do this kind of download stuff and all that. This all are the basic things which will show on your screen.
Now we are going to do some work from this Android basic Kotlin. That is, we are going to make an application from this track from Kotlin basics. So these are the pathways. We will explore one by one. So this is a welcome video for you all to the basics of Android Kotlin from Google itself. These are the code labs where you have to write, you will get to learn how to write your program in Kotlin. So this is a code lab. You need to read all this stuff, and you will get to know more details about Kotlin, Android development with Kotlin and all. You have to take this all code labs. This all like this. This all are the syntax, what errors are going to come and how you have to deal with errors that will come, that you will learn in this code lab. Second, printing a message using Kotlin language. So this is a code lab for learning syntax of Kotlin languages only. How to use variable and create variables. There are two types of variable, val and var. In var, you can give constant value, but in var, you can give different values. And we are gonna start with this dice roller app. For that, you need to create new project, and we will select empty activity, give the application name. So you will get two stuffs, one activity.xml and second main activity. In XML file, we will design the layout, what we see on our screen, that is user interface, UI UX. And in .kt lang, here we will write the code, or we can call brain or working of that application. Let me show you what we are gonna build today.
I think connection of the Dinesh will be getting lost. So I'm just moving, taking from the questions. You have any question? Just put in the chat box. If you have any question that you will be getting. So yes, you have to complete this before 10th Jan of 2022. Yes, she can join our Android Study Jam from another university too. So she can join. Just share that link, particular link to them. Yes, you can learn Kotlin plus XML or Jetpack with the compose of the like any prerequisite to learn Kotlin. Yes, you have to like learn the basic fundamentals of Max, but you have to learn. You already learn with your schools and all that. So like no knowledge of any code and all that. You will be getting learn from the base level itself. So Hers Banusali asked that how we get the 80% scholarship in exam. Like you have to first complete the course, and if you complete the course, you will getting for the certificate and all that. Like you have to take exam on the portal. Then after in on February, the form will be circulating for the scholarship program. If you complete it and pass the examination, so you will get 80% of the scholarship in exam. If you are not able to complete, then you will get certificate. Yes, you can we will give you participate certificate, but for the completion certificate you have to complete the first course also. Yes, it is possible to complete the course within Gen 10. It's like basic course. If you are getting 2 to 3 hours per day, you will be finished within 1 week over there. Yes, out of Parulian, can anyone can join with the session or with particular this Android Study Jam portal. Yes, Dinesh has wrote in Android Studio. Yes, Aman. Okay. So, is there any other queries? So, a session will. Okay. Yes, we will share the links. So no, about today is no quiz. We will going conduct a quiz in next session, next few session with the expert talk and all that. So that today there is no quiz. So link is I'm just sharing once again the screen. So this is the link that bit.ly/a capital A S J G D S C P U 1. So this the link. I will share this link in your chat box. So if you have any query, just put in the chat box. Okay, thank you for joining all of you. Just a minute, I will share link again. Link is in chat box. You can make go through from the form. So thank you so much for joining all. Thank you. Hope to you see all as like a Android developer. Thank you. Link is in chat box.